Organizing your day can lead to increased productivity, reduced stress, and a greater sense of accomplishment. Here are 5 easy steps to help you organize your day for better rewards. Identify your priorities. Start your day by listing out the tasks that need to be done, and then rank them by importance and urgency. Focus on what needs to be done today and what will have the most significant impact on your goals or responsibilities. Create a schedule. Based on your priorities, create a realistic schedule for the day. Include not only work-related tasks but also breaks, meals, and any personal activities or appointments. Using tools like calendars or task management apps can help you stay on track. Break down larger tasks. If you have any big projects or complex tasks, break them down into smaller, manageable parts. This makes them less daunting and allows you to make consistent progress throughout the day. Set aside time for breaks and self-care. Don't forget to include time for breaks, relaxation, and self-care activities like exercise or hobbies. These breaks can boost your mental well-being and productivity by preventing burnout. Reflect and adjust. At the end of the day, take a moment to reflect on what you've accomplished and what didn't go as planned. Identify any lessons learned and adjust your approach as needed for the next day. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and recognize your efforts. Remember, flexibility is key. Life is unpredictable, and you may need to adjust your schedule or priorities as things come up. Stay adaptable and be kind to yourself if things don't go exactly as planned. Organizing your day is not about squeezing more work into your schedule but about working smarter, focusing on what matters most, and making time for all aspects of your life. By following these steps, you can create a more balanced and rewarding daily routine.